My role at Changi Airport Group involves capacity planning for the future Terminal 5. Through the simulation models I've built, I analyse and make sure that the planned terminal building, facilities, and airfield are able to meet future demand and achieve optimal operational efficiency. Working together in groups comprising different pillars for my capstone project, we had to leverage on our respective skill sets to solve real-world problems for companies. This is actually a very practical transition into the working world because today's problems just traverse across multiple fields. This is evident in our day-to-day work planning for Terminal 5. So, for example, for myself, being from the analytics team, I have to conduct studies to determine the optimum facility requirements for different user touchpoints, such as the number of check-in counters. And these outputs will then be used by the architectural team for their spatial planning as well as to determine the required space for optimum passenger experience.
I work on spatial planning as part of the architecture team for Changi Airport's Terminal 5. This involves the planning of several touchpoints regarding Terminal 5 satellite terminal, such as examining the flow of departing and arriving passengers, and how best to design a functional space that provides good passenger experience. We have also built CAVE, Changi Airport Virtual Experience. It's a 5-screen workspace that makes use of VR technology to create 3D visualizations of the different terminal plans. It's for the senior management and planning team to experience the spaces and to facilitate discussions and decision-making prior to execution. SUTD prepared me well for my career and guided me towards internship roles where I had a lot to offer. The technical skills I picked up at SUTD, such as design computation and parametric design, combined with the proficiency with advanced software tools, were put to good use during my internships, which in turn helped strengthen these skills. As airport design is a specialized niche, my strong foundation in a variety of technical skills eased my transition from school to the aviation working environment, which allowed me to quickly catch on and contribute to the company. At SUTD, we were educated on the premise of a better world by design, which is what I am applying at CAG now. Being able to contribute to the design of Changi Terminal 5 is a profound experience. On one hand, I'm helping create Singapore's next iconic mega terminal. On the other, there's huge responsibility involved in maintaining our reputation as a world-class air travel hub.
I work with a number of SUTD graduates. They've impressed me with the strong self-motivation, passion shown in their work, and the ability to come up with innovative solutions. The SUTD curriculum has a unique academic structure that's multidisciplinary. The combination of humanities and social sciences subjects in the first year and technical specialization under one of the pillars in subsequent years give SUTD graduates an edge in an integrated solutioning and systems thinking. We are looking for graduates with a combination of both hard and soft skills so that they will have a holistic perspective when it comes to problem solving. For example, hard skills like data analytics, robotics must be complemented with soft skills such as human psychology and behavioral science because solutions are never one-dimensional. I like SUTD graduates because they have the ability to self-learn, a powerful attribute because specific skills could be outdated in no time and one must acquire new skills to remain relevant to the industry. I'm also impressed with their ability to enable and empower others by imparting the skills on the co-workers and helping others succeed.
During my internship at CGH, I was tasked to develop 2 prototypes that have since been patented. My 8 terms and countless design projects at SUTD made me apt at design thinking, which was really valuable during my internship at CGH. The culture at SUTD compels one to learn new skill all the time. The project-based learning in every module demands that we venture into uncharted territory, such as mastering a new programming language. Now in my PhD, I find that I'm more courageous and willing to learn and pick up new skills compared to some of my friends from other universities. Some of the world's biggest problems, say in global health, can no longer be solved by specialists who are only good in one field. More and more problems demand a multidisciplinary, collaborative solution. And this made me value SUTD's multidisciplinary approach even more.
Faced with the challenges of an aging population and healthcare workforce in Singapore, from a healthcare engineering perspective, the ideal workforce should be adaptable, agile, with a collaborative mindset, and evolve to be more efficient with limited resources to enhance productivity and ensure safety for patients. We will be looking out for graduates who would be able to effectively combine technology and healthcare through the means of data science, machine learning, and robotics. SUTD focus on technology, design thinking, and critical problem-solving skill is the most ideal university curriculum that I know of. The SUTD students are strong in their system design thinking. They are humble at times when they are with the patient to empathize with the problems, but at the same time, they are bold enough to push the boundary, ask the right questions, solve the complex healthcare and engineering questions together with our team members.